Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday, we are discussing the concept review of probability. Review of probability. So, in this topic, we completed prepositions. This is prepositions, not propositions. Okay. Yesterday, take that correction. Prepositions. Okay. In that prepositions, random variable completed. One example. Types of the random variables, 3 types. Next, probability theory completed. Okay, in that atomic events discussed, prior probability. Next, joint probability examples. Next, these 4 are completed in yesterday's class. Now, coming to the conditional probability or posterior probability. Okay, right. Heading please. Conditional probability, it is also called posterior probability. Okay, that means posterior, that means previously we discussed prior probability, now it is posterior probability. That means we are obtaining some evidence. So simply, before evidence is prior probability, after evidence is posterior probability. Okay, right? So if you get any evidence regarding that unknown random variables, okay, prior probabilities are no longer applicable. మీకు ఏదైతే తెలుసు అనుకుంటున్నారో ఒకసారి ఎవిడెన్స్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మీకు తెలిసింది ఇంకొండదు. ఎవిడెన్స్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం అనలైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? దట్ ఈస్ కండిషనల్ probability or posterior probabilities. Okay, right? Next, what is the notation for conditional probability? Is P of A by B. This is the notation. Note it down. The notation for conditional probability is P of A by B. Okay na? Then మనం ఎలా చదవాలి? This will be read as like this. The probability of A, the probability of A, given that all we know is B. ఓకే, బి మనకు ఏదైతే ఐడియా ఉందో దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఏ ప్రాబబిలిటీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. రైట్, గెటింగ్ ద పాయింట్? సో P of A by B means probability of A for given B. For given B. Example, take example, P of cavity by toothache. So here I am calculating P of cavity, okay, based on the toothache. Okay, so what is the probability here? 0.8. It indicates have a toothache. మనకు గనక toothache ఉంటే have a toothache. ఓకే, ఇంకే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మన దగ్గర లేదు. No other information is available. You have toothache. Okay, right? So patient having a cavity will be 0.8. మీకు toothache ఉంటే క్యావిటీ ఉండేదానికి ఛాన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది? 0.8. సో దట్ ఈస్ కండిషనల్ probability. Here toothache is the given. Okay, given, and based on this we are calculating cavity. Okay, so this is conditional probability P of A by B. So the formula for P of A by B, okay, right? So is P of A and B divided by P of B. Are you getting my point? P of A by B equal to, okay, P of A and B divided by P of B. Actually, this is not divided by this one symbol. Okay, other symbol, right? So this is also written as like this: P of A and B is equal to P of A by given B, sorry, P of A by B equal to P of A given B into P of B. సో దీన్ని ఇలా పంపించామనుకోండి ఏమవుతుంది, P of A and B క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. P of A and B ఈక్వల్ టు P of A given B into P of B. Okay, so always P of P is greater than 0, otherwise it will go to infinity state. Okay, right, next, that is conditional probability. Next, axioms of probability. Axioms means it is just rules. What are the rules of probability? Okay, so here totally 3 rules are there. The first rule is, suppose P of A, we are calculating the probability of A. Okay, so the range of the probability is 0 to 1. So the probability is not less than 0, not greater than 0. Already you know that in the mathematics probability. Okay, right? So the range of the probability is 0 to 1. This is 0 to, okay, 0 and 1, between 0 and 1, right? Now if P of true, okay, so one variable is true, then it will indication is 1. If the variable is false, it will indicate as 0. Okay, if it is true, okay, the probability is 1. If it is false, the probability is 0. Okay, this is second rule. Next, P of A or B, is the formula is P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. So note down these 3 very simple points. The range is between 0 and 1. If the probability is true, that is 1. If the probability is false, that is 0. P of A or B is calculated by using the formula P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. Okay, so ఇది ఎవరు ప్రపోజ్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ చూడండి, the theory is by Kolmogorov in 1933. Okay na? How many principles here? 3 principles. Right. Next, coming to the last one, Bayes theorem by Thomas Bayes. Okay, చాలా మంది వినుంటారు ఈ థియరమ్. Okay, so once again coming to the Bayes theorem. Okay, so where prior beliefs are combined with evidence, మనకు ఏదైతే తెలుసో బిఫోర్ ఎవిడెన్స్, ఓకే, ఆ ప్రియర్ బిలీఫ్స్ ని ఆఫ్టర్ ఎవిడెన్స్ తో కంబైన్ చేస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద బేస్ థియరం. ఓకే, సో వన్స్ అగైన్ read the statement, where prior beliefs are combined with evidence. Why we are doing this? Estimations of uncertainty. We are discussing the concept uncertainty, right? So to estimate the uncertainty data, we are combining prior probabilities or combining with the evidence. Okay, next, so what is Bayes theorem? See here, the probability P of H given E, this can be written as, చూడండి, P of H given E is equal to P of E given H into P of H divided by P of E. ఓకే, సింపుల్గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలంటే చూడండి, P of H given E, దీన్ని రివర్స్ రాయండి. P of E given H into పైన ఏముంది P of H కదా, P of H divided by, సో కింద ఇక్కడ ఏముంది చూడండి P E కదా, సో P of E. Very simple to remember this. P of H by E is equal to, first reverse, P of E by H into P of H divided by P of E. Okay, so these are the P of, what is P of H, okay, and what is P of E, and what is P of H by E, and what is P of E by H. Okay, so this is Bayes' theorem. So you have to prove this. Is it correct or not? Okay, coming to the proof of Bayes' theorem. Okay, right? So using conditional probability, okay, P of H by E, ఎలా రాయొచ్చుమా, P of H and E divided by P of E, like this. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను కదా, P of A by B is written as P of A and B divided by P of B. Same thing here we are using. So P of H by E is equal to P of H and E divided by P. Okay, now in the next step, what we are doing, multiply the statement with P of E, both sides. Okay, P of H by E into P of E, or ఈ P of E ని లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్కి పంపించండి. సో P of E లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్కి వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. సో మల్టిప్లై P of E ఈక్వల్ టు P of H and E. ఓకే, రైట్. ఆల్సో ఇప్పుడు దీనికి రివర్స్ రాస్తున్నాను, P of E by H, P of E by H is also written as P of E and H, P of E by H is also written as P of E and H divided by P of H by using conditional probability. Now P of H ni left side పంపించండి, P of E by H into P of H equal to P of E and H. Okay, right. So P of H and E, P of E and H, both are equal, both are same. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So by using equation 1 and equation 2, P of H by E into P of H given E into P of E is equal to P of E given H into P of H. These two are equal. Hence we obtain P of H by E. P of H by E is equal to P of E by H in P of E given H into P of H divided by PE. So hence we prove that by using conditional probability. Got it? Right. Finally, coming to the example, find whether Bob has a cold. Okay, Bob ki cold unda, given that he sneezes. Okay, so this is the hypothesis, this is the evidence. So Bob ki cold undi అని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి, ఎప్పుడు స్నీజ్ చేసినప్పుడు. సో మనం ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి, కోల్డ్ ఉందని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎవిడెన్స్, స్నీజింగ్. సో P of C by S క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, మనకి ఏ డేటా ఇస్తున్నారో చూద్దాం. P of C, బాబ్కి కోల్డ్ ఉంది, ఎంత ప్రాబబిలిటీ, 0.2. P of S by C, It means when he sneezes, okay, Bob was observed sneezing. Bob has cold. కోల్డ్ ఉంది కోల్డ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి అతను స్నీజ్ చేస్తాడు. సో ఎంత పర్సెంట్? 0.75. బాబ్ స్నీజ్ చేస్తాడు బట్ అతనికి కోల్డ్ లేదు. ఓకేనా? ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్? ఎంత ప్రాబబిలిటీ? 0.2. అర్థమవుతుందా? బాబ్కి కోల్డ్ ఉంది, దట్ ఈస్ 0.2. బాబ్కి కోల్డ్ ఉంది, అప్పుడు స్నీజ్ చేస్తాడు, సో 0.75. బాబ్కి కోల్డ్ లేదు అయినా స్నీజ్ చేస్తున్నాడు, ఎంత? 0.2. ఓకేనా? సో మనం ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? P of C given S. P of C given S. What is the formula? P of S given C into P of C divided by P of S. Bayes theorem. This is the theorem I am applying. Okay. P of S given C. S given C. Reverse chesanu chudandi. S given C into P of C divided by P of S. We have P of C and P of C and P of S by C, but we don't have P of S. Calculate P of S. P of S is P of S and C. P of S and C plus P of S and negation C. P of S and negation C. The formula is P of S given C into P of C for this, and P of S given negation C into negation C by using conditional probability. This one by using this, ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను కదా, P of A and B, P of A given B into P of B. Similarly, I am using this P of S and C is P of S given C into P of C plus P of S given negation C is P of into P of negation C. What is S by S given C? 0.75. What is P of C? 0.2. So what is S given not negation C? 0.2. What is P of negation C? We have P of C. How to calculate P of negation C? Negation C, that equal to 1 minus 0.2. 1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8. So finally what you will get the answer here? 0.31. That is P of S. Now calculate P of C given S. P of C given S formula. P of S given C. S given C is 0.75 into P of C is 0.2 into P of S divided by P of S is 0.31. By calculating you will get this answer. Right? So after that, this concept, so check this. Review of probability is completed. What we will discuss: prepositions, probability theory, prior probability, joint probability, conditional probability, axioms of probability, and the Bayes theorem. So combine two videos, yesterday video and today video. Okay, so thank you very much.